This is what I wake up to every morning. A little cutie pie. What are you doing, baby? What are you doing? You just being a little cutie pie? Yes, you are.
So I was going through Instagram last night looking at stories and I came across like an ad and it was for the sunglass company Diff. What I noticed more than the sunglasses was the girl's cute hairstyle. I really liked it, so I thought I'd try it today. So I've kind of pulled up a little bit of hair in the front that I'm gonna pull up, and then I'm gonna tie the rest of my hair back so it doesn't get in the way. She had a little poof going on in the front, so I'm just gonna tease the front. I'm just gonna smooth it out in front, and I'm gonna kind of push it forward and just tie a ponytail. I'm gonna pull some pieces out the side, and then I'm gonna pull not the whole ponytail, but the under pieces of the ponytail. There we go. And then I'm going to tease the ponytail. Now if I could put some small extensions in, oh, that would make this even better, which I'm not gonna do today because I'm getting my hair done today, so I don't want her having to take out my extensions to do my hair. So we're just gonna go with this for right now, but in the future I'm gonna totally do this by adding little extensions to this top ponytail to make it even longer and more fun. I'm gonna take a couple of bobby pins and I'm going to go towards the front of my face and then bring it back to the ponytail to kind of help give it some volume. So I'm going to go forward with the bobby pin, grab some hair and push it back. I'll do the same thing to the other side. You see, it makes the ponytail stick straight up. Now I can take the rest of the hair down. And when I pulled this ponytail piece up in the beginning, I made sure to leave down a lot of wispies because the girl in the photo has down a lot of wispies, and I just thought it looked so cute. So tease away if you want to tease some more. And always make sure to look at the back. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. All I did today, I'm probably on day 2 hair right now, and all I did was brush my hair out and throw it in this little ponytail that you just saw me do. That's all I've done to my hair. I didn't add any flat irons or anything to it. I do have my flat iron right here, so if you wanted to go in and touch up just the ends, you could do that, which I guess I've decided to do. I kind of like that it's like a little bit messy, you know? I love this little hairstyle. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad that ad popped up on my phone. And now you could do it too. I almost forgot, don't forget to spray it. So when I spray it, I'm gonna spray it from underneath and then flip it back. It'll help keep the volume. And then you can spray from here. So fun. Okay, we're now in my back house. I just got all this out of storage. This is all my Christmas gift wrapping stuff. This, let me tell you what this is without really showing you too much, just in case any of my family or friends are watching. So all throughout the year, I am always collecting gifts for people, whether it's for their birthday or for Christmas. If I see something that I know someone I know is going to love, then I get it for them. And I store it in our storage shed that's in the backyard. That's what all this stuff is right here. So this is gifts for people, and now I'm gonna go through them, remind myself what I got everybody, write it down on a piece of paper, and then just kind of see what I have, and then from there I'm just gonna go out and see what I need to add to it. I usually love to just give gift baskets kind of for Christmas, just a variety of different things, just because I think it's so fun, and just kind of really personalize it to the person. So I actually am pretty much shopping for Christmas all year long, except for when it gets to Christmas time, I'm always like, I need a few more things. So that's what we're doing today and for probably next week, and hopefully I can get it all done by next week so I can just enjoy Christmas instead of stressing out about it, you know? The befores. And here's the after. Thanks for my hair, Andrea. Love it. So today was successful. I was able to add some gifts to my little gift piles. I had some inspiration, and then I went and got my hair did, then I came home, and then Matt's cousins came over and we had Thai food. And we did a little mead tasting, which I don't know if you know what mead is, but it's a drink from the olden days. I'm sure you've heard of it, Game of Thronesy kind of thing, made from mostly honey. It's very holiday. So if you're looking for something to bring to like one of your parties you're going to, bring some mead. It's gonna definitely be a conversation starter. And now they're watching The Mandalorian. I haven't started it yet. They're on episode 4 or 5, so I don't wanna jump in right now because I definitely wanna watch it. I'm just haven't had time to yet. So I'm just over here doing my own thing. And another thing I want to touch on and I'm curious about is while I was getting my hair done, my best friend who lives in Baltimore, she's so far away, but huge shout out to you because I know you're going to be watching. Miss you, love you. She called me and so we were chatting a little bit and we were talking about buying gifts and this and that. And I was telling her, because obviously Amazon's amazing to go on and be able to buy something and have it at your door next day is just fantastic. But I sometimes just still need to see things visually to be inspired on what to get people and get ideas. And I feel like on Amazon, you kind of have to like know what you're looking for to find it and then order it. So it's just really hard for me to do everything off Amazon because I feel like I'm missing out on something or I'm not getting the ideas in my head that I need when I don't see it visually, you know? Like today when I went out, I had no idea I was gonna buy what I bought today. But because I was visually inspired and had this idea and like, oh, ooh, that would be perfect, I was able to get it, you know? But being on Amazon, I would have never looked up what I got today. So what do you do? What are your shopping ways? Are you an Amazon person? I mean, I'm an Amazon person, but I do prefer to like touch things and be hands-on and get a visual, you know? So are you like me or do you just go on Amazon for everything? Let me know in the comments.